Exercise 13.4, eighth one. A random variable x has the following probability distribution. These are the values of x, these are the probability, corresponding probability. Determine the value of k. So how we can find here in the, we know the property, in the probability distribution, the sum of all the probabilities will be equal to 1. So we can add all the probabilities that will be equal to 1. So using that we can find the value of k. So 0 plus k plus 2k plus 3k plus etc. You can add all these. So we get k plus 2k plus 3k, sorry, k, 2k plus 3k plus k square plus 2k square plus 7k, sorry, 2k square, k square plus 2k square plus 7k square plus k equal to 1. So sum of these probabilities equal to 1. So we can solve. So k, 2k, 3k, k square, 2k square, 7k square plus k. Sum of these probabilities. So here 3 plus 2, 5, 5 plus 2, 7, 7 plus 1, 8. 8 plus 1, 9. So 9k plus k square, 7 plus 2, 9 plus 1, 10. 10k square equal to 1. So 10k square plus 9k minus 1 equal to 0. Now we can find out 10 into minus 1. So we can split the middle term, 10k square plus 10k minus k minus 1 equal to 0. 10k minus k, 9k. So we can write 10k into k plus 1 minus 1 into k plus 1 equal to 0. So 10k minus 1 into k plus 1 equal to 0. Therefore k equal to 1 by 10 or k equal to minus 1. But we know here k equal to minus 1 is not possible because here probability that x equal to 1 is k, that is minus 1. So probability will not be negative. So k equal to negative 1 we cannot take. So, so k is not equal to, so we can write, so k is not equal to minus 1. Therefore k equal to 1 by 10. So the first question is find k. So we got k equal to 1 by 10. Next question, probability that x less than 3. What is the probability that x less than 3? So now we can find it. Here, a second question. So this is the first one. Second, probability that x less than 3. So the probability that the random variable takes the x is a random variable, takes the value less than 3. So which are the possible values of x in this case? X less than 3. See, x, the possible values of x are 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So x less than 3 means here less than 3. So less than 3 means it can be 0, 1, 2. So less than 3. So this is 3 and more than 3. So x less than 3 means that is equal to probability that x equal to 0, probability 0, no need to consider that. Then probability that x equal to 1 plus probability that x equal to 2. So x less than 3, random variable x less than 3 means x can be 1 or 2. So probability that x equal to 1 plus probability of x equal to 2. So these are the two cases where x takes the value less than 3. So x equal to 1 and x equal to 2. So what is the probability that x equal to 1? X equal to 1 is k. X equal to 2, 2k. So k plus 2k. K plus 2k, that is equal to 3k. That is 3 into k equal to 1 by 10. 3 by 10. So that is equal to 3 by 10. So the second question, probability that x is less than 3. That is 3 by 10. The third one, probability that x greater than 6. X greater than 6 means only x equal to 7. X greater than, not equal to, x greater than 6. X greater than 6 means only one value for x. Probability that x equal to 7. That is equal to 7 means 7k square plus k. So 7 into k square, that is 9 by 100 plus 7k square plus k. K is 3 by 10. So here that is 63. 63 by 100 plus 3 into 10 we can multiply. So 30 by 100. 30 by 100 that is equal to 93 by 100. Thirty. 63 plus 30. 93. 93 by 100. So probability that x greater than 6, 93 by 100. Now probability that 0 less than x less than 3. Sorry. Here k is 1 by 10. Sorry. Here probability that x equal to 7. X equal to 7 is 7k square. Value of k is 1 by 10. So 7k square plus k. So that is equal to 7 into k square, that is 1 by 10 square, that is 1 by 100 plus k. K is 1 by 10. So 7 by 100 plus 1 by 10, that is k is 1 by 10. So k equal to 1 by 10. Remember that. So here 3 into 1 by 10, 3 by 10. This is probability that x less than 3. So that is equal to the third one. X greater than 6, x equal to 7, 7k square plus k. 7 into k, 1 by 10, 1 by 10 square, 1 by 100 plus k, 1 by 10, 7 by 100. So that is equal to 7 by 100 plus 1 by 10. That is 10 by 100. That is 17 by 100. 7 into k square, that is 1 by 10 whole square, that is 1 by 100 plus k. K is 1 by 10. So 7 by 100 plus 1 by 10, that is 10 by 100. That is 70 by 10 plus 7, 17 by 100. Then fourth, 0 less than x less than 3. Probability that 0 less than x less than 3. So here 0 less than x less than 3 means between 0 and 3. So between 0 and 3 means only possible values are 1 and 2. So that is equal to probability that x equal to 1 plus probability that x equal to 2. So that is equal to probability that x equal to 1. X equal to 1 means k. K plus probability that x equal to 2. 2k. That is equal to 3k, that is 3 by 10. So that is 0 less than x less than 3. So that is the answer. 1, 2, 3, 4. We got the answer. X greater than 6 means 7. 1, 2, 3, 4. Found all the questions. Now ninth one, random variable x has the following form. Probability that x equal to k if x equal to 0. That means if you write as a table, when x equal to 0, probability is k. When x equal to 1, probability is 2k. When x equal to 2, probability is 3k. And otherwise, probability is 0. Now determine the value of k. Same method we can follow. So sum of these probabilities equal to 1. So k plus 2k plus 3k equal to 1. So 6k equal to 1. K equal to 1 by 6. Then, now we have to find the value of probability that x less than 2. Probability that x less than 2. X less than 2 means x can be less than 2 means it can be 0 or 1. So x can be probability that x equal to 0 plus probability that x equal to 1. X less than 2 means it can be 0 or 1. 0, what is the probability? K. Probability that x equal to 1, what is the probability? 2k. So that is also 3k, that is equal to 3 into 1 by 6. That is 1 by 2. Now, so we got k equal to 1 by 6. This is 1 by 2. Now probability that x less than or equal to 2. That is 0, 1, 2 we can take. Probability that x equal to 0, x equal to 1, x equal to 2. So we have to consider 3 cases. So k plus 2k plus 3k, that is 6k. That is equal to 6 into 1 by 6, that is equal to 1. Next, probability that x greater than or equal to 2. Probability that x greater than or equal to 2. That is greater than or equal to 2 means only equal to 2. Greater than or equal to 2. So we can take only probability x equal to 2. X equal to 2. More than 2, the probability is 0. So probability that x equal to 2 means only x equal to 2, probability is only 3k. So that is 3 into 1 by 6, that is 1 by 2. This answer. Okay.